Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to claim your grass. Okay, as I can see, so many people are unable to claim grass. Some of you are finding it difficult to claim your grass, but I think I have found the easy way to claim your grass. Okay, so once you copy the link below this video, paste it in your Mrs. browser, in your Kiwi browser, or in your Phantom wallet, okay, depending on the wallet that you connected. So once you paste the link, you launch the link, it's going to connect. Okay, once it's connected, it will show you disconnect like this. Okay, so once you connect your wallet, you're going to click on this horizontal line. So once you come here, you click on this priority fast, okay, to change the settings. So you click on this ultra, okay, then you click on save. So the next thing that you need to do is to click on this you click on this RPC endpoint. Okay, so you click on it, you click on this quick node. Okay, then you click on save. Click on it, make sure that it's highlighted like this, then you click on save. Okay, so once you click here, you just click on save, or you exit it here. So you now go back. Okay, so you just go back. Let's try and claim now. Okay, before doing this, make sure that you have gas fee in your wallet. Okay, you scroll, make sure you scroll to the end. Then you click on accept. So it's going to ask you to input your password. Depending on the security that you're using, you can use your fingerprints. If you're using fingerprints, you put your fingerprint. If you're using password, you put your password. Okay, so after inputting your password, it's going to ask you to confirm. Okay, so you just click on confirm. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have successfully claimed my grass. Okay, so let me go to my Phantom wallet and check if I have claimed. You can actually stake. Okay, so let me go and check if I have claimed in my wallet. Okay guys, so as you can see, the grass is here. I've successfully claimed my grass. So if you watch this video step by step, you're going to successfully claim your grass. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. Thank you.